not dead.
He's so cute.
It's like,
Oh, damn. That was like,
sass.
oh, his head like morphed.
Bro got some sass.
He teleported. His top part, anyway.
What is that?
Oh. Never mind. Bye.
I love inchworms.
I know, they're so adorable. Hey. Just pass on by and be on your way, little ant. Don't even try and eat that poor little worm. Move, dude. Oh, wow. That's... Dang, that is extreme close. Hey! Leave that little thing alone. Poor baby. That ant just bit him on the butt.
You scared the alligator. Me? Yeah, you went.
That's funny.
That thing snapped his head back.